Hello, I'm Consuelo.
Today we are going to make yokais.
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 Sí, son como los Pokémon.
Yokais are guardians, monsters that in Japanese tradition bring good luck. This is Amabi, the yokai for COVID-19. She has a mermaid body, 3 legs, big, and good hair. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own yokais using toilet rolls.
What we need?
Toilet rolls, cardboard, card, pens, felt pens, sellotape, and glue. We can use a hot glue gun. Remember, be very careful.
Lo importante es que los yokais tienen...
For those of us who don't speak Spanish, the important thing is that yokais are a mix of animal and human characteristics, and even objects too, and you can mix them up any way you like.
Vale, entonces...
And this is my Scottish yokai.
First of all, we are going to cover the roll with paper. We can also paint it. I want to show you how easy it is to cover it. We take it like this. We can use a piece of toilet roll. We just cut it. We can cut a long piece like this, and then we just cut in the middle and turn, and then so we turn. You can do it 2 ways. You can tape it with the sellotape, but this time I'm going to use the hot glue gun, okay? It's just faster. When we glue the legs, we have to be very careful to put them at the same level, okay? Because that way we will keep the balance, because right now it's falling. And we put... I think it's all right here. Did you see? It works. There are different ways to do the eyes. For example, here in Amabi, we can see that the eyes are just cardboard, and then I painted this other option. I just make kind of trying to make bigly nice. And this other option, I use a photocopy, and it's quite dark, but they are very nice. I like them. So today I'm going to try to use eyes from magazine I have. We're going to glue them. Here. And this is the effect. I have different versions of tail. This is like a fish tail. Amabi has a mermaid tail, and this one has cow tail. And now I was making another one, but it has a monkey tail. Monkey tails are very easy to make. When you have the tail, think about the balance. But now I need an element to keep the balance. And I want to add something like a fringe here. How can I glue it at the front? I'm going to use a piece of this stronger cardboard just to glue it at the front. This is just about you playing with all the elements we have, trying to find your own way to do things. So it helps to keep the balance here. Now I'm going to think about the mouth. So what I'm going to do now is add all the colors.
Don't kill a lion, don't kill a lion, don't kill a lion. Don't kill the poodle, don't kill the poodle, don't kill the poodle. Don't kill a lion, don't kill a lion, don't kill a lion. Don't kill the poodle, don't
¡Ay, qué mono! ¡Ay,
Qué bonito.
¿y qué tiene alas?
Sí, porque es medio león, medio pulpo, medio pájaro.
¡Qué bonito! ¿Qué hay abajo del todo? ¿Qué es eso?
Esa es su cola.
Hemos puesto pelo, Cote.
¡Ay, qué mono! ¡Qué mono!
Ote, mira.
Como mola.
kill a lion, don't kill a lion.
Es un pulpo rosa.
Kill a lion.